My name is Alon Farber, and I'm the CEO of Prana. So we started the company in 2005 in order to change the food system. So we are really trying to find a balance between food that appeal to people and also do good for them, and at the same time promoting a healthier environment. Our customers are all across the Canadian retail landscape, from a big box to small mom and pop health food stores. We sell as well into the US. So currently we are in distribution all across North America. Packaging is very, very important for our business and for our products. It's besides keeping the integrity of the product, which is the primary reason to have them, they're also a great way to communicate with the consumers and let them have a feel of who we are and what we are about. Our primary packaging is a stand-up pouch, which is a resealable pouch, so you can open it, use it, eat the product, and then reseal the pouch for later use. We chose Paxiom because they had great reputation and they were very accommodating in working with us in this solution that didn't exist elsewhere. It was a first for us and also a first for them, and we were ready to work together in making this solution happen.
The way the equipment works, it's really three equipments that are integrated together. So you have the case former that's forming your case, then it brings it to the Delta robot that takes the bags that are coming out of the packaging area and puts them in the box and then just seals the box. So it's very simple, not a lot of conveyors, so you don't have, it's all in one area. And it's integrated, so they talk between each other, those equipments. So the operator, has a good view of what's going on. Doesn't have to be, everywhere at the same time, and it's just simplifying that step of our process.
Right now, the line is working at about 40 pouches per minute, and that's because we have bottlenecks upstream. The machine is able to accommodate faster speeds. And we pack them in a 6 count or 8 count, can go even to a 12 count, no problem. The system is very flexible and quick. The experience with Paxiom was very good. The installation happened very well. When there were issues, they were addressed and fixed, and there was a certain amount of uncertainty in the project. For example, there is a vision system to recognize the pouch, and there was the lighting in our warehouse was too strong, and we needed to add some shading in order to have better read by the camera, and they took care of that right away. We are in good hands with Paxiom.
It's an area in our production which was labor intensive, repeated movements, safety hazards. The Paxiom line is robotics, is new technology, but it's simple technology that you can easily adapt to your manufacturing environment. And you don't need operators that are high degree of training. It's relatively simple to operate, so it fit perfectly in our environment. This equipment really gave us the opportunity to work with our current team, the staff that we have, to optimize our operations on an efficiency, reducing some labor in certain areas, but then being able to invest them in other processes. So really the Paxiom line gave us that opportunity to improve and also grow. So we are now currently in the plant next to our new equipment. So just to present, the first one we have here is the Enflex case erector. So makes the box, then goes into the Valterra PKR Delta robots, which puts the bags in the box, and then continues into the Enflex case sealer. So here is the Enflex case erector, as it takes the flat boxes and forms them to go into the Delta. So it picks the box, folds the bottom, tapes it, and conveys it to the robot. So now as we see, the box are coming out of the case erector, going into the Valterra PKR Delta, a curve going into the Delta, photocell telling the equipment the box is there, and then knowing when it needs to get into the robot to pick the bags and put them in the box. So here we are at the Valterra PKR Delta. So we see the bags entering from the production area into the Delta robot and then going into the boxes. It's really a vision system that's giving the signal to go pick up the bag. So we're running here about 40 bags a minute. Now we are at the case sealer. So what we're seeing is the Delta is putting the bags into the box, and the box right at the exit is conveying into the case sealer. Box exit, ready to be shipped. Working with the Paxiom team and with Andre was really a pleasure. I think since the beginning, he really reassured us with the system, and they have proven to be there each step of the way. So it was a great partnership with them.
Hello, my name is Andre Stroll. I'm territory manager for Paxiom in Quebec. I'm the one who sold the line to Prana. And I just wanted to show you guys a little bit the HMI, the user interface. Through this screen, the client is able to verify his recipes, change all of the parameters as required, depending on the pouches that are being used. We have different station controls for the conveyor belts. And obviously we have a manual toggle option as well as fully automatic. There's a counter on the machine, and we're able to see the position of the robot at any time.
Our plan for the future is to continue to grow, and we're going to do it primarily by continue to grow our brand and innovate with Paxiom support on their packaging solution and food transformation.
This Delta robot is the introduction to robotics for Prana. I was a bit worried with my maintenance crew not being exposed to that, and honestly it's been easy sailing, and we're getting really good support from the team of Paxiom also to help us integrate everything, but thanks to Paxiom I'm not afraid of robotics anymore.